Fire bigs, we outside. Up inna the girl them outside. Dress time outside. Up inna the girl them. Fire bigs, pull up inna the estate. Be a girl.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Flex with your boy Biggs. You know there's something going on. But today, before I want to talk about one story 12 years ago. 12 years ago, 2008. You understand? 2008, I actually get stabbed innocently. Yo, you know what it is to be the age of 18 and get stabbed innocently. Anyway guys, I get stabbed innocently. I can tell you, it was around, I'm sure it was 2008, but it was around in the December time. If I'm not wrong, I was the 29th of December 2008, I go into 2009. Well, anybody who know me knows I hail from the community of Painland. You understand? So, back in them time, they used to have one wicked warrior going to Painland. High-rise and low-rise side. Wicked piece of warrior going to Painland. Anybody who know about the war, they know me at all. One wicked piece of community violence that going to Painland at the time. So, you know, I go so now, boom, and me live on the lower side of the community. And the youth start me, him live also on the lower side of the community. But the community is big. So you have the lane part, them like me live, and you have the scheme. So the scheme, you have high rise and you have low rise. So bear in mind the community is split in about 4. You understand? Because anybody know Painland, they know you have Delacree Lane by itself, you have Mongoose Town by itself, and I live on the border of Delacree Lane and Mongoose Town. So you have them placed by themselves, you understand, then you have Painland now, Painland where them they are joining community. You understand? So the youth stop me now. Him come from the village side of Painland. Remember, you know, me live at Delacree Lane and Mongoose Town, the border. You understand? Right on the border, because it's a lane, you know. So, Mongoose Town with a run from Walton Park Road, Delacree Lane run from Spanish Town Road. And me live on the border. Bear in mind, you know, them two communities they used to war. 2 different towns, everything. Them 2 lanes that used to war. But in at the time when me get stabbed, them 2 lanes did a war for 2 years, them did a war in about here. Oh, them want to set up in a them community there. You have the community split in a 4. See, Mongoose Town, Delacree Lane, and you have Painland, Village and Arise. So them call the Village Park Village and them call the Arise Park Building. You understand? Bear in mind, them communities that have 4 or 5 done. So it's a very mixed up community, the community really mix up. Very mixed up community. So, you know them time they don't care if you're innocent to all the war bad, you know, and go in a next man's zone. All we are from the community. Everybody know with the man they want to kill out them one another, know the youth them and all the not everything. But you just don't want to go from the next side of the community. For when you come back, you hear a man say, boy, you're in farm or da. See? So you never really want to go over this. So we now go so boom now and stay upon our quarters. So we have got Delacree Lane, we have got Mongoose Town, because we live on the border. So that's now we rotate. Anything we want, because everybody know we're innocent and things. So we rotate, we do it, we walk past and with them something there. You get what I say? But them time of a wicked war go on now. Then me now was a community selector. All when war go on, dance keep in my part of the community endlessly. Remember, you know, the community is not that big. So if a sound system I play on my side, see him? A sound system I play on my side, the enemy them are the so-called enemy them are the man them will live on the next side, because nobody wasn't the enemy to me. Because me was just an innocent youth. You understand? Me admit me never did go everywhere in our community, but me never did a whole lot gun or me never did follow up my badness and something. Music me love. Me I play music from me at 30. Music me love. But over on the next side of our community now, you have to understand say when we do our side have our nice time and me pick up the dan and everything as like our selector I do and everything. Not say me a tune or what you know, but you have to remember say when at night and the place gets silent, the rest of the man of our community now, them a hear me and everything I race. So like a man I say, oh boy, Fire Bix, him a the dance selector and then the Dan who did around Delacree Lane now, him did set a link because one time Jigsy I'm idol, big up Jigsy I'm idol, big up Jigsy. But one time when Jigsy sound around the place, danger zone, they me and the youth them around the sound could agree and the man them say, yo, we can't play upon them sound already. So the Dan did a keep a Tuesday thing now, so the Dan goes, so boom and make a link for me now, so me could have go so boom and get my own sound. So the Dan have a sound from Matches Lane and name Ultimate. The man that own Ultimate a one gangster to pass off, you know, one gangster and thing. You understand? So, you don't know, say, the Dan goes so boom and she say, me now the sound to play upon, because danger zone is the only sound in our community them time there. Me not have no sound to play upon, so the Dan goes so boom and make a link, because the Dan rate how I play and thing and rate how I not in a badness, so the Dan make a link and make me get a sound. You understand? So the sound goes up, woman come in at the place and they in the Dan bar and me are the man for the sound there. Me respond to that sound and string up that sound and everything. You get what I say? So the Dan keep a Tuesday event now and war go and same way the people. But dance keep our part straight. Say you know, say the Dan goes up boom now. And keep a Tuesday event, the Tuesday event goes up boom and get loud. Me I run out the Tuesday event. Say you know the Dan get me sound. Say you know me I big up the Dan and everything. No, say the man them on the next side of pre-me. Because remember, me not go over there, you know, none at all. So the man them over there now have it say me pick side. You get to me and say, what as a youth you want to stay your boundary? Because you see some people are dead and the war bad and things. So you just want to stay your boundary as a youth. So it wasn't me picking the side now, nothing. You understand? So the Dan goes up boom and the Tuesday event goes up boom and get loud. Loud away, the Tuesday event get loud and I tell you, you know, first time I know boom boom at 2008, you know, boom boom just did a bus out them time there, you know. I'm say boom boom for a bite down, I batter my lane in a boom boom. Say yo, you may want a party up in a lane and I do it boom boom up there. I tell you the first time boom boom come in a lane. Yo, the next morning the man them buy some bicycle spray and spray boom boom name. Whole in a lane. Alright. Long story short, as me I say now, the war get wicked where yo police start clamp down. Hold on, fix that camera. Yeah, police start clamp down on the party them and them thing they know. So you don't know. 18-year-old them time the 2008, 18-year-old. You know money start run low because the dance them now keep again because war go on and police now start clamp down on the dance them and the war get hot and things so. Because of boom no and I go look at work, you understand? I did work at this go-go club as a selector, as a DJ. I work at this go-go club from 2006. You get to me and say, because me as a man now, you know, I get expelled from Osemati from them time. So, you know, I go to other school, but I always believe in my own hustling and believe in my craft. So, we did play one club on the Walton by the name of Cowboy Ranch. Me and my youth name, Fire Blacks, big up yourself if you are watching this, you know, my brother. Do you understand? Because son of a woman, 2008 with it. But me I tell you, say, me usually work at the club from about 2007 and things. So we stop work at the club because we career did a turn up and them little thing now, and the club kind of man are dead at the club and all kind of something. So we just stop work at the club. You get to me, I say, so 2008 now, I go so boom now and things get slow. So the same man that own the club, him end up own one massage parlor. Same place on the Waltham, but up a Padmore Drive, one private place already. So this now a lone sex woman sell less and not party vibe, not no. So I link him back and I say, yo, I want to work in a way. And I say, yeah man, him can give me a work. So I'm going to say, woman give me a work at the massage parlor as a security. So there I make me look at money and you know, they are look at security place and make me look at money where I go on a Peeland, but you don't know me I walk $2 Lane now and I go 3 miles and I go work and them something way. But then I work at the place around 2 months, you know, good, you know. But them time the war turn up a Peeland hot. Yo, the war turn up hot. The war turn up hot a Peeland. Say you know, say 2008 now. Same 2008, you know, because I don't want to get carried away. You understand me? Just I tell you, because I remember me accept from 2006 and way. So 2008, same way with it. You understand? So I work at the place about 2 months. And thing, but the war get wicked up here and the war gets so wicked now where anybody from the Arizo side, go a 3 mile, because remember, a 3 mile at the neutral ground, you know, for them community there. Because everything run off of Spanish Town Road, and 3 mile at Spanish Town Road. So everybody from the building side, or Delacree Lane, or anywhere in our community, go 3 mile, any the enemy them or any man from the opposite side will see you and they will stab you. But and everybody who innocent get stabbed up. You understand? Say no know so 2008 now. I go so boom now and but they are work. Remember someone really a play now on Saturday night. Yo, so it was one Saturday night now, I do so boom and I there work. Good, you know. Just get pay and thing and rare. So I go so boom and I take a taxi and come off Agley Park Road, stoplight. Agley Park Road and all time stoplight and I go so boom and I take a next taxi where I come from Africa or 3 mile. You understand? So I go so boom and I reach home, you know, yo people, I reach at my yard, you know, like I reach home, you know. I reach home, you know. But them time you know, I talk to one girl. You know, I'm frightened of a girl them time there, you know, man. I talk to one little slimmers, I don't call her name. I talk to one little slimmers and thing and you know, youth and we are make a little dollar. You understand? We are make a little dollar and we are work. Make a little income and thing. You understand? So the girl also goes on a boom and I reach home in the people. Remember, I'm show you my salt now, you know, I reach home. Reach home. And the girl goes up boom and call me and says she's hungry. You know ghetto run now. All type of food shop that ghetto. Every food shop. Chicken and chips, rice and peas and chicken back, everything that ghetto. You know ghetto run. Saturday night, things ever that ghetto. She says she's hungry now. Remember my little girlfriend and thing, and me's a kind. You know. Any girl talk to me knows I'm kind, so I can't run it. Anyway, I say what you want. People, guess what the girl says she want? Guess now? KFC. Remember, you know, this community I'm living in, hot, you know, a war, you know. The girl says she want KFC. Me, you know, say, alright, put on some clothes on. Make me and you KFC. She said, alright, me and I go some woman. Go back a 3 mile with dangerous, you know. Cause after 3, buy the chicken, and I come back. The girl, when you reach a 3 mile, right, at TS's, right at the side of TS's, there so, a 3 mile. When you reach a 3 mile, you see the girl, bigger sister, and 4 you would sit down. One of the youth them, I'm a cousin. I look a cousin. He's all dead now, and I'm a look a cousin. Them live on the opposite side of the community. She see her sister, you know, sit down with the 4 youth them at 3 mile, you know. You know, one little piece like one little dark piece. You understand? You don't know, say, me, you know, see the youth, them I know, say them youth can follow badness, but some young youth like myself, but them I follow badness. So me see the youth, them, and me continue walk. She, you know, stop to her sister. Remember, you know, this girl that get me in the position, you know, in the first place, you know. To go back a 3 mile and me don't reach my yard, you know. The girl goes up, boom, and she stop with her sister and she talk and I stand up one side and think. Because now, long time I don't see him say, what go and cause where? When him heal me, I go over now to them, I heal him back. You get what I say? Because I don't want to know you. Them time I know I start feel safe in myself. Because I say, yo, my cousin there, so, and I feel like a friend them. So, no, fuck you won't go on. Watch my language. No, foolishness won't go on. You understand? Boom! The girl now stop talking to her sister, you know. Walk come to me there now. Because I heal my cousin, walk, stand up, walk me there. You understand? When we walk up now, I see the 4 youth them get up. And one of them, the youth to stop me, and next youth give him something. So when I see somebody give him something now, I never see what good them give him, but I see them give him something, so I say, yo, what is? So I still a walk still. I say, yo, you know, I want to look at something him give him. So I say, yo, I don't know the arm for him. It's not a gun. I see, if it's a gun, I see it more clearer. I say, boom, I walk around now. Walk. Remember, I'm up on the side of Tasties, you know, so I walk around to the front now. You understand? Walk around to the front of Tasties now. I walk past Tasties front now. I reach at the bus stop now, where the bus them always stop right at the flour mill place. So, right there, so. I reach. When I look, I see the youth alone. Remember, 4 of them left around the corner. I see the youth alone. Now, I come towards me. So when I come towards me now, me like a fool now, never really pay no mind, but just a walk. Him walk, alright, see me and I come a position, now to the camera, him walk come to that side there. And him just go so. And stretch on him, and him walk come side of me, and me a glimpse him, and him just come and go so. Bam in my chest, and run off. See some run off, me see him now, me see a who stop me. You understand? Yo, the man face bleach out and burn out, and him body black, but me know him. Me know him good. Yo, I see him with the stab on my uncle already, and my uncle fighting and feel bigger uncle come hold my uncle, you know, make him stop my uncle, you know, before him stop me, you know. You understand? So me know him. Me know him good. Film father was a done for the next side of the community. So me know him good. The youth stop me know him good. Anyway now, a doctor see the player and see the blood start running up on my shirt, and the doctor say, you get stabbed. So me, you know, remember the bus, you know, where the doctor, I conduct on the empty, you know, because I see in the bus, you know, I'm conscious, you know. I see in the bus, you know, I run me, you know, if you just jump in the bus and tell the man, say, bring me, go, a public, you know. Yo, I panic, I start run. See, you know, when I start run now, the blood I get hotter, my body I get hotter, and I run. And you don't know what happen now. Me hear the blood, like the wound, it starts spray like a bus pipe. Bzzz, bzzz, like a bus. You know what a pipe bus, you just hear that spray. Pshh. That's a bomb buckler, I'm dead now. Me say me dead. People me say me dead. Me say me dead. So you know say, I go some woman, I run up come in near my lane, you know, so I go some woman, I run past tools and reach in my lane. When I reach in my lane now, me live, I saw a woman named Jasmine. My mother friend, you know. Mother big friend, Jasmine. Jasmine said, who stab you? And Jasmine start on idiot. Say, no, no, so I tell Jasmine who stab me, because I don't call you him, because he's still alive. Me say him that jail now, he's still alive. So I didn't want to call about name. See, I just share my experience, so I get wrongfully stabbed. So I don't call about name. I tell her who stab me. Say, no, no, say, Jasmine now, before Jasmine help me and try to get a car, Jasmine run left me. People, before Jasmine help me, Jasmine run left me. Say no know say me that the bottom of my lane now, one side of me start feel dead now. Say no know say me go say boom. And Jasmine now, one dance I keep, you know, little from where me there, you know, up in the lane though, little from where me there. Jasmine see some bad man up there now and run, go tell the bad man them say, man, stop me up at 3 mile. Remember do my run left me, you know, go tell the bad man them, when me look at 10,000 million man run and come down the lane now. Gun, cutlass, bingy, everything. Everything the man them run and come down the lane with. Guess how the man them run come down the lane? I tell me now. Who stab you? That alone them ask me. I tell them, because I can't just see them way, I tell them. Every man run past me now, and run say them can't find the youth. Every man run gone, let me see him way. Then, I see one woman now run and come down the lane named Darling. Say no, say Darling now go so boom! And Darling now, Darling run come down and start ball. Oh, them stab you. Okay, but them stab you, man. So I say, Darling, you see me a dead. Darling run coming by the Spanish Town Road with the pan, you know. So the lane run over Spanish Town Road. So I'm at the end of the lane. So Darling run out. And black one blue car with her body just run out of the road and the blue car stop and say, you come help him. When the man goes up, the man drive up to the lane now, the man look at some blood up. So the man goes up, the man run out and turn in the lane in him car, and the man goes up, the man run out and him goes off and take out some clothes out of him car back and spread it out on him seat, and me jump in it and Darling jump in it back with me, and me go public and them thing. They say, no, what Jasmine did run gone. Jasmine run gone tell my mother so me get stabbed before Jasmine did do what Darling do. Jasmine run come. So the 10,000 man they run go find the youth to stop me. And Jasmine run go and tell my mother. So when me reach a public now, them put me in a wheelchair and all of them suck me there and them admit me for the night. And yo, the wickedest pain I ever feel in my life, it was that night, the 29th of December 2008. Was that night. Remember, you know, a 2 days from the new year me there, you know. 2 days. And I think me that dead. So, me at the hospital now and thing, doctor them say, yo, them have put in piss bag for me. People don't know piss bag at. the nurse have to hold my penis and push one hose in it so. Like one tube, push it down in my penis. Yo, I say pinkles. Yo, that story is long. You see the youth give the youth the knife to stop me. They are going to tell you how the man them deal with him in the next story. But people, like, share, comment, turn on the post notification, subscribe to my channel, Flex It Bix. Yo, my next bad story are coming. Watch it. Watch the next bad story.